In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate the total sum of cell values in Google Sheets. Whether you're new to Google Sheets or just need a quick refresher, summing up values is one of the most fundamental tasks you can perform in a spreadsheet, and it's incredibly useful for keeping track of data and performing comprehensive analyses. Let's dive right in. Begin by opening your Google Sheets document where you want to perform the calculation. Once you're inside the spreadsheet, identify the cell where you'd like the total sum to appear. This is what we call the target cell. It's important to select the correct target cell because this is where the result of your sum will display. Once you've selected the target cell, it's time to start inputting the formula. You'll want to type the equal sign followed by the word sum. In Excel and most spreadsheet applications, starting with the equal sign indicates that you're going to write a formula. When you type sum, you're telling Google Sheets that you intend to calculate the sum of a series of numbers. Directly after typing sum, you'll need to open a parenthesis. The open parenthesis is a crucial part of the formula syntax, as it indicates that you're now going to specify the range of cells you want to sum up. Selecting your range is simple, and there are a few ways to do it. You can click and drag your mouse over the range of cells in your spreadsheet that you wish to add together. This action will automatically populate the required cell references within your formula. Alternatively, if you prefer entering the cell references manually, you can certainly do so by typing them in correctly, being sure to include the appropriate colon to denote a continuous range. For example, if you are summing all the values between cell A1 and A10, you would enter A1, A10. This tells Google Sheets exactly which cells you are summing. Now that your range is specified within the parentheses, all you need to do is press the Enter key on your keyboard. As soon as you do this, Google Sheets processes the formula and calculates the sum of the specified cell values. Your target cell should now display the total sum of the values in the range you selected. And that's it! You've successfully calculated the total sum of cell values in Google Sheets. Such a simple yet powerful function. Remember that this same method can be applied to other types of data ranges, making it a versatile tool in any spreadsheet user's toolkit. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has helped you better understand how to use Google Sheets to sum up values effortlessly. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy calculating!